guys, welcome to my channel. Sekarang kita akan belajar tentang fisika dan matematika. Let's start!
Hello again. Today I'm gonna share about the padlocks. This is games. Padlocks. Each padlock, we have 4. You will find a series of number combination followed by a code. This code consists of A and B. This is a table. This is padlock 1. A and B. This is combination of series. Ini A and B. A gives the number of figures which are in the right place. B gives the number of figures in the combination which form part of the code but which are in the wrong place. Can you find the number combination for each padlock? This is padlock 1. Okay. Done? And this is padlock 2. And this is padlock 3. And the last one is padlock 4. Okay, once again, listen carefully for the information. Each padlock, you will find a series of number combinations followed by a code. This code consists of A, B. A gives a number of figures which are in the right place. B gives the number of figures in the combination which form part of the code but which are in the wrong place. The question is, can you find the number combination for each padlock? If you got the answer, please write your answer in the comment. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.